Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Bitbucket with Jenkins. Firstly, you need the Git parameter plugin and build authorization token root plugin. Log in to Jenkins and go to Manage Jenkins, then Manage Plugins. Move to Available tab and search for the plugin mentioned and install them. Restart Jenkins if prompt. Now go to your Jenkins dashboard, click New Item from the left sidebar, enter a job name. Choose Freestyle Project or any other pipeline type, then click OK to create the job. Check this project is parameterized, then click Add Parameter, then Get Parameter. Set the name, parameter type to branch, and default value to master. Set Git as the SCM and add the repository URL, then add credentials, your Bitbucket account credentials. Check trigger builds remotely and enter an authentication token. Save the job configuration. To enable automatic triggers when code is pushed, go to Bitbucket repository, click Repository Settings, then under Workflow, select Post Webhooks. Click Add Webhook and set the parameters of the Jenkins pipeline triggers as this. And finally, all you need to do is test the integration. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.